Hey guys! In today's video, I'll show you how you can file the 1E99 NEC with Xero, so let's get started. First, you'll need to make sure that your 1E99 NEC settings are set up correctly in Xero. To do this, head over to the Accounting menu on your Xero dashboard. Once you're there, click on Reports, then select Tax Reports. From the list, find and select the 1E99 NEC report. If you've already set up your contractors and their tax details in Xero, it'll pull everything you need automatically. Next, you'll want to double-check the information for accuracy. Ensure all the contractors are listed with the right details, including their TIN taxpayer identification number and the correct amounts they've been paid. If anything's missing or incorrect, you can update it directly in the contractor's details. Once everything looks good, you'll have the option to generate the 1E99 NEC form. Xero will format everything based on your tax settings. Simply click Generate Report to create the form. After the form is generated, review it carefully. You'll see all the payments you made to contractors during the year. If you need to make any adjustments, you can do that before filing. Finally, you can file your 1E99 NEC form directly with the IRS through Xero's integrated e-filing system or download it for manual submission. Xero makes it easy to submit it online or send it to your contractors via email. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.